Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to delete Squarespace account. So if you've decided to move on from Squarespace and want to delete your account, this video will walk you through the process. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at links of some nice tools in the description of this video, so make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to delete Squarespace account. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account and then look for the Account Settings tab on the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the Settings tab, you'll see a section called Account and Security. Click on that and then scroll down. You'll see a button labeled Delete Account. Go ahead and click on that to start the process of deleting your account. Squarespace will ask you to log in again with your password to confirm that you really want to delete your account. And, by the way, just in case you don't know, when you cancel your Squarespace subscription, your site will be put on hold for 90 days. During this time, your website will still be accessible, but you won't be able to make any changes to it. After 90 days, your site and all its content will be permanently deleted, including images, pages, and blog posts. If you still have any active subscriptions, they'll be listed below your account information. You can cancel trial sites directly from this panel. After canceling your subscriptions, now you can delete your account. Just click on Delete Account and confirm that. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Squarespace account. So, like I said, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. Thanks for watching!